So I'm going to be teaching y'all how to set a Duke number 3, which I've got right here, for coyote. Now, some of the things you're going to need to set this trap well are a good pair of just plain gardening gloves or any kind of gloves. You're going to need a sifter. It's just a store-bought sifter. You're going to need a good hammer and a good digging tool, which I've got this claw hammer with a straightened out claw I got from Lowe's. Very cheap. It's great for doing this. You're going to need a screwdriver or something to dig out your dirt hole. I use pan covers and I use leaves as to put under the pan of my trap. You can have underalls, you can have pan covers, you can have just use leaves like I do. Doesn't really matter. You're gonna need some urines or your type of lure. Doesn't really matter. You're gonna need your bait, which I have a small bird. Just my bait. Now I also recommend having a good pair of pliers, just handy. Then of course you're gonna need a stake or an earth anchor, which I already have drove here. You're gonna need your trap. My trap of choice is a Duke number 3. I love them. You can catch coyote, bobcat, fox, whatever, but it won't tear up a raccoon or possum's leg if you accidentally catch one of those. First thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to dig out your dirt hole, which I just do so by taking a screwdriver, nailing it into the ground, and twisting it around, and now dig out a good dirt hole. You want it to be 6 to 8 inches deep and about quarter size wide. So I was walking through the woods with my grandma, and she just happened to step in this trap here, which is unfortunate, but it happens. First thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take your digging device and dig out your trap bed, and I'm just re-digging mine out. Here I have pre-sifted dirt to put on top of my trap. What you can do is you can take the dirt to dig out from your trap bed and just sift that. I'm going to actually put this dirt that I'm digging out of my trap bed here into my sifter, just in case I need some. So this is what your trap bed should look like. You should have your anchor somewhere over here, and then here's your trap bed that your trap will sit in. You want it about 10 inches, or to 8 inches to 6 inches, depending on what animal you're trapping. Bigger for the bigger animal, but slight 2 to 4 inch offset, so the animal's paw will go in your trap. So now you're going to need to set your trap, and this is pretty simple. I do it with my knees. This is your set trap, but when you're working with your trap, you want to have it like this, with your jaw folded over, so if it closes for some reason, it won't close down on your hand. So after you have your trap set, you want to get a bit of your sifted dirt, or you want to sift some dirt into your trap bed. So that'll be something for your trap to sit into. And sifted dirt freezes less easily than non-sifted dirt, and it doesn't plug up your trap. So you want it bedded nice, so when the animal steps on the corner of the trap doesn't shift. So open up your trap all the way and get it pressed down in there. And then get some of your non-sifted dirt in your sifter, or you can use your sifted dirt. Sift some around. Next step, you're going to want to get your pan covers and your underalls. You can only use underalls, you can only use pan covers. I like to use both. And I use underalls, I just use leaves, some hay, whatever. And I can even use another pan cover. Now what I'm actually doing is I'm using 2 pan covers because I cut my pan covers out of wax paper and I cut them too short. Get some of your sifted dirt, or you sift some dirt off that pan. Coyotes are very smart creatures, so you want to make this trap the best. You can cover your whole trap in dirt from another area and just sift some new dirt on top of it to make it look natural. So then after you have your trap completely covered, it should look about something like this. See some of the wax paper? You don't want to have any of that showing because coyotes will see that, dig up your trap, and run away. Next thing you're going to need, and you don't need it, but I like to have one, is a stop stick, which is just a small stick you put right here. So your coyote is going to step on your pan. Take some more dirt and lay it around your pan. Not on your pan, but around it. Making your pan the lowest spot in the entire trap. Like so. That's going to keep that coyote stepping right there. And now you have your, I prepared mine with some bird. Have some feathers around for visual appeal. You're going to want a stick. You don't have to have a stick. I like to have a stick. And I put a lot of urine on that stick to keep that coyote attracted in the area. So now I'm going to apply the urine. Remove one of your gloves to handle urine because you don't want to get scent from one trap to the next. I like using fox scent, fox urine, because if you use fox scent, you can catch fox, bobcat, coyote, gray fox, red fox, everything. But if you use coyote urine, you're only going to catch coyote because coyote will eat bobcat, fox, all those things. So just generously apply. And then re-put your glove back on. Like I said earlier, a coyote is not a dumb animal. So they're going to come up here and they're going to see this dirt is darker than the other dirt. They're not stupid. So a good tip is take your sifter and collect some dirt from the area. Like so. And sift it on top of your other dirt so it looks more like the dirt from the area. And you don't have to have a lot, a very light. Okay. See how the dirt looks a lot lighter now? Reapply stop stick. And it looks all around a lot better. Next you're going to need is some borders. And coyote, you want to make it look natural. You don't want to make it look like it was placed there oddly. See, like I took this big stick, and that doesn't look like, they're coming down this trail right here. It doesn't look like, that's been placed there by something. It's like it's been placed there naturally, How I know a good place to put a coyote trap is where you know there's coyotes. There's this cow trail right here coming up, big pond here, woods. There's a deer stand down over that way. And the way you'll know there's coyotes is like, look here. These are two coyote tracks right here. Here's a fox track. That's actually a coyote track. You can see, and what a coyote track looks like, it looks like a dog. 1, 2, 3, 4 paws. Then the back paw, and you can see the fingernails, the claws. Those are coyote tracks. You'll also find dead rabbits, dead possums, dead deer, a lot of different things. And that's how you can tell that a coyote's in the area. And I just put my trap right to the side of this trail. So when they come down the trail, they'll catch them. This trap is not just good for coyotes, it's good for coyotes, fox, red fox, gray fox, bobcat, raccoon, everything. So, you can catch a ton of stuff. It's a really good trap. And baits I like to recommend is, your baits you buy online, like your haw bakers, your Dunlap lures, meat-based baits. What I usually use is, I'm too cheap to buy that stuff, so I just get, I'll shoot a little bird, or I'll kill a squirrel, or I'll take one of my other catches, like bobcat meat works really good, raccoon meat, possum meat. And you can tell, I just have a bird stuff in there. I've got some feathers to give it eye appeal. And if you're trying to catch fox, I almost slipped down right there. But if you're trying to catch bobcat, put out like more feathers, make your set more flashy. If you're trying to catch coyote or fox, make it a little bit less flashy. If you're trying to catch raccoon, it doesn't matter. Possum doesn't matter. Skunk doesn't matter. But thank you all for watching this video, and I hope this helps you on your trap line.